Hey guys, what's up? It's me again, Stocksilog, and we are here for another edition of today's market recap, December 6, 2019. Oh, ano? December 6, 2019. Yes. Minsan nakakalimutan ko na yung date. But again, we're here. So let us start. It is a good day for PSEi. We are back above the 7,800 level, and if you guys have been observing or listening to my market recap for the past week, you will notice na parang seesaw, no? Tataas, bababa. Naglalaro talaga siya dun sa 7,800 level. That's why, minsan napapaisip na lang ako, maybe 7,800 level is not really a stable support or resistance. Kasi almost every day, aakyat siya, bababa, aakyat, bababa. No? And this also give me the idea na mukhang hindi alam or mukhang confused ang market whether okay ba talaga or hindi. Siguro nga ito yung issue pag ganito panahon, no? Karamihan ng mga investors ay on the sideline. So just to check once again, our value turnover is just mere 5.71 billion, very thin versus our daily volume average for the year na 7.5. Foreign, we are once again net foreign selling at 700 million. Well, ayoko na. Minsan nakakatakot na lang din to, pero let's just try to look at it on a positive side. Sige, umaalis ang mga foreign investors, then that means matitira na lang yung mga local. Then dito natin makikita talaga yung galaw ng market, no? Decliners are, we have 85 decliners over 81 advance. Makikita niyo talaga yung margin nila masyadong maliit. So this is basically the reason why iniisip ko na hindi ganoon kaganda yung market natin hanggang matapos itong taon na to. Let's go to the let me just try to index tayo. We have about 152-week high today, and that is CAT, Central Azucarera de Tarlac. Ito yung ito yung sa mga Aquino, if I'm not mistaken. And volume wise, ang laki 7.86 million. Kasi usually hindi to masyadong maingay eh. Let's try to check si Kat, kung sino ang madalas na bumibili sa kanya. Let's go to buyers and sellers. Citisec call. Yeah, mukhang tinrade nga siya talaga ng gusto kanina. I don't know, wala akong nalaman na news about Central Azucarera. So if wala, usually ang naging thinking ko na lang dyan is just retailers trying to find something na mapapagalaw para lang meron lang mapaglaruan. It's not good, pero well, kung bored ka, wala kang paglaruan, then look for something, di ba? Ganun na lang yan. So ayan. It is relatively good in terms of the volume, kasi kung mapapansin nyo dito, di ba? Ayan. Ito, kung mapapansin nyo dito, ang laki niya, itong part na to. Masyadong malaki. So ayun, that is cut for you. We have a new 52-week high for him. And sa mga lows naman, ito mga laging customers ng 52 week low. Let's start with MPI. Bam! MPI is down 3.66 a piece at minus 3.68%. Who else? DMC is also down 605 per piece at 1.31%. PNB still suking-suki na to. This week, almost every day nag-new 52-week low siya. MWC, yeah, ouch, ang bigat. Now, kung napapansin niyo yung trend no nung mga nag-52-week low this week are yung mga nagkaroon ng mga negative news. Ano tong negative news na to? Yung kay President Duterte. If you remember, he is threatening the water concessionaires, being dishonest daw. And this actually, the general picture is that yung mga water concessionaires like MWC and Maynilad is actually DMC and MPI. Both water concessionaire are racking up billions in the expense of the Filipino people. Ang ganda ng story. It's not a positive story pero ang ganda if you are following that. Kasi makikita ninyo yung power ng government over the companies. Remember Trump? 'Di ba? So, yeah, the government is really powerful. Kahit sabihin mong news lang 'yan, may gawin man sila or wala, it will still affect the stocks. Now let's go to the news today. I'll go first with the PXP. So PXP is asking the government to reconsider the Malampaya takeover bid. This is an unsolicited request. Tama ba? Unsolicited. Ibig sabihin, si PXP nag-initiate na mga bossing, baka naman pwede ko nilang bilhin ang service sa Malampaya. This is despite the fact na yung oil reserves ng Malampaya is expected to run out ng 2027 . So basically what PXP is actually PXP pala by the way is a company of MVP Manuel V. Pangilinan. So si Manny, sabi niya ganon, we know that 2027 ubos na depleted na yung oil reserve, pero we still want to buy it kasi we have some projects to do. No? So we have still yet to receive a reply from the government. Also, related to that, if you remember, they have also planned on buying the 45% stake ni Chevron kay Malampaya. And unfortunately, naunahan siya ni Dennis Uy. So, wala na. Una-unahan na lang yan. Mga laro ng mga bilyonaryo. Which is wala naman tayo. Unfortunately. Okay. Next, another news is ICTSI. ICTSI made an announcement kanina, or a disclosure saying na, which is a good news basically, saying na yung kanilang port sa Ecuador, di ko lang alam yung pangalan kung paano pinopronounce yung pangalan nito, no? Conticon Guayaquil concession is extended for another 20 years. Okay? So right now the concession will be until December 31, 2046. So for the next 46 years tuloy-tuloy lang yung service na ginagawa ni ICTSI dun sa Ecuador port na to, which is a good news, to be honest. Let's check sa May effect ba siya kanina? Medyo, pero hindi ganun kataas. Hindi ganun ka ano yung pero yeah, ako I would say this is still a good news because that means the service will continue. Pagkakaperahan pa rin nila yung port sa Ecuador. Okay, next up is ito kanina tong tanghali na nabasa ko. So SM Prime was granted the Pasay reclamation project. Ito yung sa katabi ng MOA, no? So SM Prime received the notice to proceed doon sa 360 hectare reclamation project ng city government. And just to give some background here, early this year there had been a problem kasi DENR, Department of Environment and Natural Resources, they had plans on rehabilitating yung Manila Bay, which is in conflict doon sa original plan ni SM Prime na i-reclaim yung land na doon. So that's why if you remember, siguro mga around January ito nangyari na nag-shoot down yung price ni SMPH to be exact, no? So I think na na hold yon yung project na yon until today. Sinabi nila na okay, sige, you can proceed with with the reclamation project. This was actually awarded by Pasay to SMPH way back in 2013 pa. And that is to reclaim and develop yung land na katabi ng SMOA. Okay, let's see how does that affect. It's stuck today. So yeah, obviously it is a positive news dahil it's another project for SM Prime, and as we can see here, it broke the recent resistance na around 40.62 na resistance. It break out, ano ba dapat? break out, whatever. So ayun, which is good. Then that means after that breakout, the next potential target price is here at around 41.86 na. And if it breaks 41.86, then that means another sky's the limit for SMPH. Is it? Yes, it is. Kasi wala na yun na yung SMPH for 52-week high is 42.50. No? So if it breaks, then that will be an all-time high for SMPH once again. That is a really good chart. If you tell me, if you ask me, maganda yung chart niya kasi it is way above the 100 MA line, 50 MA and then 20 MA. Kasi kung mapapansin natin, mukhang very active itong 20 MA na to, 20 MA line. Kasi talagang siya yung sinusundan If it breaks the 20 MA, it goes down. Pag na-break niya, it goes up. So right now, it's above the 20 MA line, which is really good. Next up is another good news. Ayala. This is AC company. AC stock. Ayala Corps. So Ayala buys Healthway Philippines. Okay. So with Healthway, by the way, Healthway was bought by Ayala. Ayala has this subsidiary called AC Health. Okay? Si AC Health, yun yung bumili kay Healthway Philippines. This is actually a Hong Kong-based company. And yung Philippine distribution nila, yun yung nabili ng AC Health. Prior to Healthway, AC Health already have the family doc. They already have 70 community-based clinics and 10 corporate clinics. They had plans of having 100 clinics by 2020, which I think is still in line kasi kayang-kaya naman sa pera ba naman ng Ayala, di ba? So ayun, but then now Healthway has been acquired, so it will add up doon sa portfolio ng AC Health. Si Healthway, it has 7 mall-based clinics. It also has 40 corporate clinics. And I think yun lang. There I saw from the report ng Market Edge, they mentioned na Healthway is sort of related to Generica Pharmacy. I've been trying to do some research on that, pero wala akong makitang link between the two. Maybe you guys have any idea over that. Please do let me know. I'm quite interested if it is related. Kasi that's a big deal. Generica has a lot of hindi naman clinic but pharmacy store. I think they have around 830, and that is a big deal for Healthway and now for Ayala Corp. Now let's try to check Ayala. Okay, so it appears na hindi gaanong affected ng news na yun si AC. It just closed at 828 or about 20 points, 0.20% down. So yeah, I don't know, maybe hindi siya ganun ka-attractive or baka huli na nung malaman. Kasi very recent lang to yung sa Healthway. Ito nga with PhilStar 326 lang lumabas. So ayun. We'll see. Hopefully makabawi itong si AC. It went on its 52. It met the 52-week low nung last week at around 795 points per 795 per share. So ngayon lang siya medyo nakabawi-bawi. Ayan. Now let's go to some interesting stocks here which I just saw doon sa market. So nickel, no? With nickel is up 2.98 pesos per share. So it's up by 2.05%. What's interesting here is the fact na tinatry ko siyang i-expand dito. It is already forming a higher lows. Saan ba yun? Ito, trend line. So it's getting some higher lows here already after mabasag yung recent low niya. So pero I think right now nagmatch lang nung isang support ni nickel. Now let's try to check kung ano yung itsura ng stock niya. Tama ba? Ayun. Going to the stock info. Oh wow, this is nice. This is a nice setup. 30 bidders at 2.16 million shares. Yung gustong bumili at the closing price na 2.98. So this is a potential gap up on Monday, no? Hopefully mag-gap up na siya. para makabawi yung mga medyo alanganin or paniguradong pulado sa nickel. In terms of the TP, I could see it somewhere here at 3.22. Yeah, 3.22. That's quite huge. Huge upside. So yun, let's see. Hopefully meron kayo or nakapasok na kayo sa kanya, just so you can maximize the potential gain. Okay, so yeah, that is it for me today. Thank you guys for joining, and doon sa mga sumubaybay nung this past few days, thank you very much sa inyo, and I hope you will be able to join sa mga discussion natin over the market, no? So ayan, just try to stay active, look for the news, hindi lang basta-basta charts, and i-combine nyo lang yung dalawa, charts and news. Okay na kayo doon. Okay, so that's it for me today. Thank you, and have a really, really good weekend. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.